So yeah, you're asking me about what somebody in my position would typically have to do to help the company prioritize patient needs. I'll go mind, heart, and action, right? So the first thing is to help the company realize how important that is these days. Again, in dermatology, it's not all that difficult because the little differentiation that exists amongst products many times helps the company to see that a dimension of differentiation therefore has to be service. In Aqua Pharmaceuticals, a US company that's an Almirall company, for example, that's a huge priority, and the team knows that, and the market recognizes that, which is why Aqua is growing so fast and being so successful in the US market. So that part is easy. And maybe more challenging part has to do with engendering empathy, right? So true heartfelt empathy, not just the slogan. And to that effect, this is why it's important to help our people to be more in touch with their own emotions. This is why we go through this training and exercising and getting in touch with ourselves sessions that I described in the other question. So that's important. It's difficult on the one hand to come to Europe to ask the team to do that. On the other hand, it's easier for a Latin person to do that because we're reportedly very in touch with who we are throughout history, right? So in that sense, it's fun, it's exciting, it's challenging, but I adore that part of my job. And then the last part is action. So how do we act on that? And it starts with the people we recruit. We have to recruit people that can do both, that can think, feel, and then put those two into action, right? It starts with recruitment, it goes through training, like the one I'm describing, in addition to the traditional, the one we always do. From this place also comes engagement. So we have to feel connected with each other and achieve a level of dynamism that impacts the market in a way that's unique and compelling, and that engenders loyalty in the end. So that part is fun as well. I get to do that every day. I get to work with fantastic individuals, some of which you have met personally, and it's highly rewarding. In the end, I believe it is about bringing all of yourself to bear every day. Don't just bring your head to work, right? Bring all of you to work, and that way activate and engender that in everybody. I believe that's what we have to do.